Hello everyone, I'm Xu Wei. Now I will introduce you how to DIY smart home automation by Kinkos product. Now let's look at how to use the manual control board connect with our controller. We will use the lamp. We can see the power is AC 220 voltage. We will connect with 5 lamps. This is our 32 channel box. So we can see the output 1 from to output 32. And every output just a switch. It's dry node type switch. You can see how to connect with the lamp. One point we connect with the L, and another point we connect with the lamp and with the line N. And every switch just connect with as the same. We remove the socket. We have connected the 5 lamps together. The red one is the L, and the blue line is the N. We have finished all lamps connect with the controller. We connect the manual control board with the terminal board by the right lines. Second, we connect with the controller with the manual control board by RS232 line. Third, we connect the power line. We can press the key from K1 to K5 to turn on and turn off. If you want to install the switch panel on the wall, every button have 2 lines. Then we connect with the terminal board. The high and the low is 1 channel for the buttons. After we have finished connect with the hardware and the load, now we can teach everyone how to configure the network setting. We can download the software and the document from the Kinkos website. All software and the document and the help file, we can find this page. The VCon is to configure the network setting. When open the software, we click the device, we will find our controller. It's scanned by VCon, and we can double-click the IP mode, or we can choose the DHCP or static, and the port and the work mode. The work mode, we have 2 ways to choose. One is the UDP. If you choose the UDP, it will connect with our Kinkos cloud server automatically. If you choose the TCP server, then the controller is a server mode. So you can use in LAN in your local network, not need internet. Firstly, we set to the UDP. After we save the settings, we must need to power on. When power on, the controller will automatically connect with the Kinkos cloud server. Then we can use the phone app or PC application to control the release. Now we need to download the phone apps. we can scan QR code from the box. You can register a username. We register username and password to log in. We at host scan the QR code. Then we can see the controller is online state. You can see pi.It controller is our created. We enter and the controller turn on the output 1. You can see the light on and the output 2, 3, 4. And every channel you can turn on and turn off. So this is 2 channel, 4 channel, and 8 channel, and 32 channel. We can add all these controllers into one application account, just like the first one. Now you can see 2 controllers on the list. One is 32 and another is 8 channel. This is 8 channels relay, and this is 32 channels. We also can turn on and off. Someone needs to turn all lights on and all lights off, so we can define the sense which relay to be on and which relay to be off. We can see all on and all off. Now you can press all off. Our smart controller not only can control by the lamps, also can control the curtains, such as this electronic curtain. Now we can see how to connect with our controller to control this motor. This is line L, this is line N, and these 2 lines is directions. We can draw a photo, how to connect the wire, and how to create sense on the mobile phone. This is a motor. It has 4 lines. The power supply is 220 voltage. And also, it has 4 direction lines. One is for F, and another is for R. Now we use the controller output 2 relay to control 1 motor for the directions, change directions. This is our controller 2 output port. Because our output 1 to 4 are connected with the lamp, so we use the output 5 and output 6 connect with the motor. Such as if you want the motor, the direction is F, so the current, the direction is this way. So we need to turn on the output 6 on. If you need the motor, the direction is R, the current, the direction is this way. So we need to turn on the output 5. These forward directions, we can define the output 6 on and output 5 off. We will create the sense on the mobile phone later. The reverse output 5 is on and output 6 is off. So we just create 2 sense on the mobile phone. Then you can control the motor for change directions. Now let's see the motor state when we press the key on the mobile phone. We press open window firstly. The motor will be run. And we also can press close the window. And you can see the motor is reverse, and also we can press the stop. When the time arrived, so the lamps all on. Now we start to learn how to use the input port trigger the output. We have set the input 1 trigger for the all-off sense. Now we can trigger just short for 2 seconds. Then you can see all lamps are all off. And also we can see the mobile phone receive the alarm message. Now we can see the door sensor. It is also a arduino type sensor. We install the COM line, and then we use another 2 lines connect with the input 1 and the input 2. Now we can see if the door open. The sense will be running, all lamps on. The all lamps will be off. We can use the 8 channels controller's input to trigger the 32 channels controller's output. Now we can use the door sensor for a trigger. We open the door, and you can see the 32 channels output, all lamps are turned on. Now we can turn on and turn off the relay from different mobile phone. Also, you can use 3, 4, 5, 6 mobile phone to control one relay box. We can control the 8-channel relay box. We can show you how to use the voice control by Alexa or by Google Home.
Okay, Google, turn on light 1.
Sure, turning light 1 on.
Okay, Google, turn off light 1.
Sure, turning light 1 off.
This is Google Home app. We can use Google Home app to turn on and turn off the light.
Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 1.
Okay.
Also, we can use the Alexa app to turn on and turn off the light. And the third mobile phone is the Kinkos Smart Home application. So we can use this application and the voice control together. In this video, I will show you menu control board with the voice control and the mobile phone control. We can press by key, turn on the light and turn off the light, and also press by the switch panel. And also we can use wireless remote to control the relay. Okay, we use voice control by Alexa.
Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 1.
Okay.
Now we can control the relay by Alexa mobile phone application. We can turn on and turn off. Also, we can use Kinkos Smart Home application, turn on and turn off, and use turn on and turn off the relay. We open the door, we will see the alarm sound, and we close the door. The sound will be stopped. If you have large power of the electronic device, such as the air conditioning and the warm heat, how to extend the power load? We can use the AC contactor to extend the power. This A1 and A2 is supplies the AC contactor 220 voltage, and another it have 2 and 1 and 3, 4. This just 2 switch. When the A1 and A2 have 120 voltage, then the point 1 and point 2 will be on, and point 3 and point 4 will be on. If the A1 and A2 have no voltage, then the point 1 and point 2 will be off, and point 3 and point 4 will be off. This smart power box, it made by 2-channel controller, and this security brick is use 13 amperes. So we extend the ampere from 10 ampere to 13 ampere. You can just change any model of this security brick. We can see this is 2-channel controller, and this is this one, and this is total security brick, and this is this one, and the AC contact, this AC contact, and the brick, 2 brick this way, and this is power supply in this way. This power supply is DC 12 volt. Now when we turn on the relay 1, this relay 1 will be on, so it will supply the 220 voltage to this A1 point and the A2 point. This will have a current, and when this point have power, the 1 and 2 point will be short, and the 3 and 4 point will be short. So the current will these directions by brick and to lamp and to this way. And also, if we turn on relay 2, the current will be have power supply to these 2 points, and from this way, then the 3 and 4 will be on, so the current will be this direction. And this lamp, you can use large power load, such as warm heat or air condition or any other device, just according to this AC contact and break the ampere. This is 18-channel smart power box. It includes brick, the total brick, and the power supply, and the 32 controller, and the manual control board, and the AC contact, 18-channel AC contact, and 18-channel brick. This is manual control board. It can control every relay, no need internet and no need the network. And it also connects by the RS-232 cable, just with the controller RS-232 cable. Now we can press the key. We can see how to control the relay. We can press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. AC contact also have manual switch. For emergency control, we can turn on and turn off. It's controlled directly by the AC contact. Turn on relay and turn off relay by Kinkos Smart Home application. Controller also have a function. It can remember the relay state before you power off, or if you power feature. When the power on, the every relay will be recover the state before the power feature. Now we can see it how it works. We can turn on some relays. We can see the relay 1, 3, 5, 7 is on. If we have the power feature, we turn off the brick. It's power off. Then we can restart the power. We can see the relay 1, 3, 5, 7. It will be auto turn on. So it has the remember state before the power feature. Also, we can use the mobile phone quick sense, turn all relay on and all relay off. For example, we can see this is all on, this is all off.